So here's another fast-growing weed. It is the Dogfennel. When you hear fennel, you think, well, it's something that you can eat. It's a spice, a seasoning. This is not the same kind of fennel. It is toxic, and a lot of the things I've read say that when you crush it, it makes a very unpleasant smell. I don't entirely agree with that. And it's definitely not something you want to eat, but I think it smells kind of good. Well, and this is fireweed. Fireweed gets its name from its fast-growing and resilient nature. So it's one of the first things that'll pop up in cleared soils or after catastrophic events destroy most other vegetation, like a fire. It's a really common weed to see along road clearings and apparently in Wisteria. So on this walk, I've shown you some things that are good to have, bad to have, dangerous to have even, beautiful, thorny. And I found a couple of bugs to show you. So this mass right here looks like bubbles on it. That's from the spittle bug. Whenever it's getting ready to feed on the plant, it produces this foamy protective covering. If I were to clear it off, we could probably find him. You can kind of faintly see his outline in there. This is done by the, they also call them froghoppers. The younger nymphs do it to protect themselves while they're eating. For all things being said about the Wisteria, it has created a very unique opportunity for some of these plants to be able to grow here. The swamp mallow in particular, rose mallow, crimson-eyed mallow, needs consistently wet soil, moist, rich, in order to grow and thrive. So while the Wisteria has done a good bit of harm, taken down trees, overgrown the area, it's also given this plant the unique opportunity to thrive in a location where it wouldn't normally grow. It's just a reminder that sometimes beauty, elegance, it's not only reserved for a well-tended garden, well-manicured lawn. It's a flower that's sprouted from what seems unlikely, impossible. And it's one that's come up year after year